Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, hey, welcome back in. Continuing to monitor the situation ongoing across southeastern Kentucky as emergency flash flooding has been observed in Knott County here this evening. Water rescues were underway in portions of the Mousy community that's in northeastern parts of that county. They've had 2 to 4 inches of rainfall on estimated radar, and that emergency flash flood goes until 11:30 p.m. tonight. Again, just to the west of Wayland and north of Hindman this evening, some heavy rainfall has led to quite a bit of the rain coming down. And take a look at this. This is a screen grab from the videos that we showed you earlier in the show. Reagan Owens in that community. Look at the extensive. There was a lightning flash that allowed this to even be visible, but it is a river flowing through the woods as it continues to drag down with the heavy rainfall running downstream. Prayers to those people that are out there. Other water rescues are underway for us this evening as well. In other portions of these flash flood zones, they are considerable at this time. They run all the way up to Stanton through Campton, Jackson, and down into portions of Knott County here, and even further down like places in Jenkins here for us in far southern portions of southeastern Kentucky there. And so we will continue to have those threats for us through the next couple of hours tonight as that water continues to run off and recede. And with that, we've had quite the extensive amount here. You can see it scattered all across. This storm is very efficient at producing rainfall tonight. The good news is that there's no more rainfall coming in behind it at this point. We can see that the majority of that storm continues to work now down towards Harlan and out of Kentucky. And so it's just waiting for the rest of the runoff to take place, and the water should recede. Thoughts and prayers go out to those folks that are dealing with that tonight. We've got the flood watch until 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. Again, though, no new rain coming in behind it is the good news for this forecast, although there are going to be more chances for showers and storms as we go into tomorrow. We've got more development again in northern Illinois and northern Indiana. Again, because the warm front is causing that lift to take place and let those charge up. Upper level winds are wrapping down and into Kentucky to drive these storms our direction again heading into tomorrow. Now, we do have a level 1 risk for isolated severe weather. You can see that wrapping those storms kind of concept here just in our severe weather outlook for Friday. We also have a severe weather outlook for Saturday. For eastern Kentucky, same idea. Storms wrapping around a huge region of high pressure. And so once again, eastern Kentucky is in on that threat for portions of our Saturday as well. The biggest threats here will likely be wind, as we've seen, and then again, the flooding concern for us continues. Areas have already been saturated a lot. New efficient rainfall could lead to more flash flooding concerns heading into the next couple of days. And Futurecast is doing all right with picking this up now. We've got those storms in the right vicinity here. Those push out and go away, drying out for early tomorrow. Most of the first half of tomorrow will be dry, but you can see scattered storms try to make their way through northern Kentucky again through the middle of the day and peter out as they get into southeastern Kentucky through the afternoon. But then new development could happen for us in eastern Kentucky tomorrow night before a rinse and repeat idea. Dry start to Saturday, sunshine, and then storms try to wrap for us here as we get into Saturday afternoon. Again, mainly across eastern Kentucky, mainly training over those same zones, possibly bringing more heavy rainfall to already affected areas. So the forecast will continue to be watched closely here and need to be fairly certain that these storms will probably cause more issues leading forward. We have the next big thing is the steamy weekend. Outside of these storm chances, highs in the 90s with heat index values pushing maybe 105 at times. And we sort of only get the 1 or 2 day break there. Sunday does look dry for the most part, but then new rounds of storms try to fire up on Monday.